What if you could give your AI a superpower? Not speed, we have plenty of that, but depth. The ability to stop, analyze different paths, debate itself, and deliver not just the first answer, but the best answer. Google claims they've done it. It's called Deep Think, a new mode for Gemini 2.5 that promises revolutionary reasoning capabilities. But it comes with a catch that has the tech world buzzing. It's locked behind their new Google AI Ultra subscription, which costs a staggering $250 a month. That's $3,000 a year for an AI assistant. So, is this the future of artificial intelligence, or the most overpriced subscription in tech history? Deep Think officially rolled out on August 1st, exclusive to this new Ultra tier. If you're used to standard AI, you know it's incredibly fast. It predicts the next word instantly. That's great for summarizing emails, but it often means the AI is reacting, not truly reasoning. Deep Think fundamentally changes how the model processes information. Google calls this parallel thinking techniques. Instead of rushing down a single path, Deep Think explores multiple hypotheses, strategies, and ideas all at once. It generates possibilities, evaluates them, runs internal checks, and refines its approach before it starts writing the answer. To do this, Google gives the model significantly more inference time, more computational think time. You are trading instant gratification for intellectual depth. Google isn't being shy about the capabilities of Deep Think. They are claiming state-of-the-art performance on some of the hardest benchmarks available. For developers, Deep Think is scoring incredibly high on benchmarks like Live Code Bench. We are talking competition-level coding performance. Google says it excels at problems requiring optimization, understanding complex trade-offs, and analyzing time complexity. But the headline grabber involves the International Mathematical Olympiad, IMO. A research version of this model achieved a gold medal standard, meaning it can genuinely reason through advanced mathematical and scientific concepts. This is clearly aimed not at everyday tasks, but at accelerating scientific discovery and solving high-level engineering challenges. Okay, let's see it in action. I gave it a complex logic puzzle that requires multi-step reasoning and usually trips up standard models. Standard Gemini answers in 6 seconds, and it gets it wrong. It jumps to the most obvious conclusion and misses the nuanced constraint in the prompt. Deep Think took nearly a minute, but look at the output. It didn't just give the right answer, it explained its reasoning step by step, identified the trap in the question, and showed why the obvious answer was incorrect. Standard Gemini made the code cleaner. Deep Think fundamentally rewrote the algorithm using a more efficient data structure. The experience is fundamentally different. It feels less like a fast assistant and more like a slow, methodical expert consultant. Part 4. The $250 elephants were in the room. The technology is stunning, a genuine leap forward, but we have to talk about the price. $249.99 a month. This immediately prices out 99% of users. This is not for students, casual users, or even most hobbyist developers. This is enterprise pricing. And here is the most critical limitation. Because Deep Think uses so much computational power, Google is limiting its use. Reports confirm users only get a fixed set of prompts per day in this mode. That is vital. You're paying $250 a month for a feature you have to ration. Part 5. The value proposition. So who in the world would pay for this? It comes down to return on investment. If you are a senior software engineer, your time is incredibly valuable. If Deep Think solves a complex algorithmic problem in 5 minutes that would have taken you 4 hours to debug, the subscription pays for itself almost immediately. If you are a scientific researcher, and Deep Think can analyze complex literature and help formulate conjectures, accelerating your research by weeks, it's invaluable. It's for professionals where high-level complex reasoning has a direct and significant financial impact. Conclusion. Deep Think is a legitimate breakthrough in AI reasoning. It's a clear demonstration that slowing AI down and allowing for parallel computation results in vastly superior outcomes for complex problems. But Google's pricing strategy is aggressive. They are clearly signaling that this level of AI is expensive to run. Deep Think is incredible, but for now it's a powerful tool for the few, not the many.